Nanotechnology is a revolutionary new approach to cancer that's showing great promise. What is nanotechnology and how does it work? Nanoparticles are incredibly tiny, so small that 100,000 of them would fit on a single human hair. Nanoparticles can be administered to patients intravenously. They easily float through the bloodstream, seeking out cancer cells wherever they may be hiding. Some nanotechnology is designed to seek out cancer cells and attach to them, using specialized receptors which bind to the tumor selectively. Once bound to the tumor, the nanoparticles send out signals that tell doctors where it's located. This can help accurately visualize tumors that would not show up on conventional medical scans. Other nanotechnology is designed not only to find the cancer cells, but to kill them selectively using specific receptors that attach only to the tumor without
La variabilité génétique de GP41 va lui permettre de développer un vaccin véritablement novateur. Ces chercheurs français participent à un projet européen qui a lancé au début de l'année une campagne d'essais cliniques. Ces essais réalisés avec 50 volontaires britanniques.
Ford Motor Company is a leader in bringing innovative...
And we should see something close to 5 volts.
And controlled. A sensor in each wheel continually measures the pressure of each individual tire and wirelessly transmits pressure readings to the TPM control module. If the system detects that a tire is underinflated, a warning telltale is illuminated in the instrument cluster. If a vehicle is equipped with a driver information center, a warning message is
and driver aid technologies to mainstream vehicles. Utilizing advanced Wi-Fi technology, intelligent vehicles will help drivers identify and respond to even more potential dangers and inconveniences.
And specially equipped test vehicles with advanced Wi-Fi technology. The intersection communicates with these vehicles to assist drivers in potentially dangerous traffic situations, such as when a vehicle is about to run through a red light or a stop sign. Where the view is compromised. If vehicles approaching from opposite directions were communicating with each other, they could warn the drivers of the oncoming vehicles, potentially avoiding head-on crashes.
Is another example of a fruit. Some people don't know that avocado is a fruit, and a lot of people say that avocados...
The real reason, of course, is for the fruit to be used as a weapon. Like Henry Kissinger in the early 1970s told one report.
After 12 years of searching, Monsanto found a soil bacteria that is naturally immune to Roundup herbicide. Their goal was to genetically engineer DNA from these bacteria into various plants. They cut out a sequence of DNA that is resistant to Roundup. But if this DNA sequence alone is inserted into a corn plant, it will have
desired and specific outcome. For example, let's go back to the tomato scenario. Scientists recognize that Arctic flounder, yes, that's the fish, could withstand extremely cold temperatures. They thought, what if we took the DNA trait that allows the flounder to withstand the cold and put it inside the tomato DNA, so that the tomato could withstand the same
America, the breadbasket of the nation. For generations, this fertile soil has produced delicious and wholesome.
Our Zigbee-based wireless sensor networks provide the perfect tool to allow the farming industry early detection of crop diseases, changes in microweather that affect production and quality, and more importantly, the optimization of resources. A network of intelligent sensors communicating with each other provides critical information to allow efficient control of plant nutrients and water. No more wasting of these valuable resources.
아기 모공의 스킨푸드.
누나, 풋내 난다고 무시하지 말아요. 맛은 떨지만 매끈매끈 아기 모공.
풋사과 탄산수 모공 라인. 오늘부터 풋 사과할게.
要解決眼紋、浮腫同鬆弛，一個步驟係唔夠嘅。你需要 L'Oreal Revitalift 雙效眼霜：一、白色眼霜搽喺下眼周，撫平眼紋，消除浮腫；二、紅色啫喱搽喺眼蓋，收緊鬆弛嘅肌膚。而家雙眼幾有神，銷量第一抗皺眼霜 L'Oreal Revitalift， 你值得擁有。Anessa。
ここまで優しくなった。専用クレンジング不要の最強アネッサ誕生。
最愛の肌へ。
In which nanotechnology can greatly improve cancer diagnosis and cancer treatment. Diagnosing and treating cancer can be a challenge because tumors can hide anywhere in the body, and anti-cancer treatments like chemotherapy and radiation affect normal tissue.
The centerpiece of the MagForce nano-cancer therapy is the nanoparticle consisting of iron oxide. The particle is covered by a patented coating which ensures a good stability and division of the iron oxide particles in the tumor tissue. It additionally supports the process by which the particles are absorbed into the cancer cells. The small size of the particle is decisive for the therapy. The diameter measures some 20 nanometers and is thus 500 times smaller than a red blood cell. 1 milliliter of the particle solution contains nearly 17 trillion single nanoparticles. This high density makes efficient treatment possible.
To move the camera and change views. Use the bloodstream button to travel in the bloodstream and get a closer look at your nanomedicine in action. Use the slider on the top right to move through the vein. Look at the blood flow and note the body's natural defense. Look at the receptors on the cell as the locks, and the ligands that you will place on your units as the keys. Your vesicle will need to have the correct keys that fit in the cancer cell's receptors in order for the drug to be properly dispersed. This is where nanomedicine units are built. These
For years, manufacturers have been searching for a technology that invisibly protects their products and components from the effects of water and other liquids. P2I has developed a patented breakthrough by applying innovative nano-coating technology that provides outstanding liquid repellent benefits to almost any material or product.
Mustard, all of that sort of thing. Hydrophobic means that a surface is